We drove from Boston this morning.
How do you feel about today's match?
It's great.
Exciting, thrilling match.
Yeah, it was close. US did very well.
Satisfied with Indian performance today?
I think they did good. They did a professional approach to it. They didn't panic, even in spite of losing 2 quick wickets.
आनंद फ्रॉम न्यू जर्सी।
कैसा लगा मैच और आज क्या कहना?
मैच बहुत ही बढ़िया था एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू टीम इंडिया। ये पिच जो है वो काफी सबको पता है कि एवरेज स्कोर ये पिच पे जो है 120 भी कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है।
मेरा नाम दीप, आई एम डीसी फ्रॉम डीसी।
और दीप, मैच कैसा एक्साइटिंग रहा?
मैच बहुत एक्साइटिंग था। हमें लगा नहीं था कि यूएस की टीम इतना अच्छा खेल पाएगी इंडिया के खिलाफ, लेकिन इट वाज रियली कॉम्पिटिटिव। अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आकर के। सो आई होप कि इंडिया और यूएस दोनों अच्छा करे वर्ल्ड कप में अभी आगे, सो दैट हमको और देखने को मिले। क्या बोला?
वर्ल्ड कप जीत पाएगी इंडिया?
अरे बिल्कुल जीतेगी, बिल्कुल जीतेगी, बिल्कुल।
2023 में जो नहीं हुआ
बिल्कुल
दिखाएंगे।
Awesome, loved it. You see the crowd.
कोहली का थोड़ा सा गम हो गया।
हाँ, बहुत ही ज्यादा गम हो गया, बहुत ज्यादा गम हो गया।
उसका गेम देखना।
बट कोहली का कोई बात नहीं, इंडिया जीत गया, but still love it.
Yes, it was a tough match. That 17th over was painful to watch. We kept it close. It was, I was thinking we were going to do a second Pakistan, but just didn't happen.
We're going to win, my friend. Don't
Yes,
worry.
we'll beat the Irish next week and move it on. So, but no, it was exciting. I was shocked on how competitive we were. Our bowlers were outstanding.
Oh, we love USA and India.
Yes.
We just missed Kohli's bowling, batting. So that was a little sad
They
part.
played for the first time and they batted
But you will give
excellently.
a good fight to India. Do you think so that
I think USA did good fight compared to even better than the Pakistan what they did with India. So I think they played excellent cricket and I'm very happy.
But after India, now you have another national team to support.
Yes, I was supporting
Yeah, we are
USA all the
supporting
way.
USA and USA going in
And I
8.
think they're gonna qualify. I think I'm pretty sure. I
USA
think they're
won't
gonna go
qualify,
to the quarterfinal, at least to semi-final.